Here we have a 2023-2024 MG4 fully electric hatchback SUV fitted in plain black suede. Front pair have separate headrests. Door side has airbag provision. This is a top of the range model, so electric controls are accessible on the driver's side. Airbag provision on the door sides of the backrest. Client has option to leave the mat pockets open on the back of the front seats. Rear seat is a 40-60 split. Separate headrests. Center lap sash belt access. Buckles. And seats can still split fold. Top tether points accessible on the back of the backrest, plus optional access to the Isofix point on the base.